Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we are going to be digging into one of the weirdest viral video floating around. A monkey cooking in a restaurant kitchen, apron on, pan in the hand, and it's the next big celebrity chef. But is it any of this real? Let's just try to find that out in today's video. So if you come on TikTok and take a look at this particular video, you will see at first glance it looks quite convincing. The monkey steers the food, flips the utensils, and even seems to react to the heat like a trained cook. But the truth here is that most of these clips that are getting viral on TikTok are AI generated, CGI edited, and a part of the stage content that is designed purely to grab your views. So there is no verified footage, no news reports, and no known restaurant that actually employ a monkey chef. And realistically, no monkey, no matter how smart, can safely cook with the hot oil flames and sharp tools. That's not just dangerous but also unethical. So next time when you see these types of cooking monkey videos online, enjoy the creativity but do not fall for the fantasy. If it looks too wild to be true, it probably is. Thanks for watching this video. Stay smart, stay curious, and I will see you in the next one.